And now the news in detail. The Union government has approved the geological report of 4 miners of the state, paving the way for scientific mining of coal in Meghalaya. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the Union Ministry of Coal has approved the geological report submitted by 4 miners. The 4 miners would have to submit their mining plans to the government before obtaining the license to start scientific mining of coal. The Chief Minister said that the state is now just one step away from starting scientific coal mining in the state. The state government had filed a case in the Supreme Court challenging the ban of coal mining imposed by the National Green Tribunal in 2014, after which the Supreme Court gave a landmark judgment that the ownership of land is vested with the local tribals of the state.
That has been submitted by 4 of the miners has been approved by the Government of India. Once these geological reports are approved, this is one step away from the mining license to now be given. And hence, these 4 applicants now, whose geological reports now have been approved by Government of India, will submit their mining plans as per the norms laid down by Government of Meghalaya and Government of India. And we expect that the licenses should shortly be given to these 4 miners or these 4 applicants.